Hello everyone! In this video we will explore Delta robots that have recently been added to the support of the ENCY Hyper application. Let's start by creating a cell. For this, we will use the entire Machine Maker application. Here we will add a Delta mechanism and select the 3D file. In the Initial tab, we will mark this robot. Let's go to the Kinematics tab. In the Kinematics tab, we will configure the nodes. After configuring the nodes, we can set the number of arms for this robot. That is 2 if we only need to work in one plane. In this case, we will use 3. Let's go to the Simulation tab and check how it will work. We will click Apply. We will move the robot a little higher and add the cutting tools. Cell has been configured. We will send this cell to ENCY Hyper. We will add an object and a cylinder. We will place them randomly. Next, we will go to the Programming tab and add the pick command. We will check that the robot can reach all the parts. Next, we will add conditions and then recalculate the program. We will check how this robot handles our task. Thank you all for watching.